You're a little nasty.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay?
Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Tony B, and we are back again with another lit video. And today I'm gonna let you know how my first day of working at BMW of South Atlanta was. So if you want to know, stay tuned. What's happening, guys? Hey, stupid. I don't know why I did that. What's up, y'all? Man, hey, today was my first day, June 8th, working at BMW of South Atlanta. Well, it wasn't typically my first day. My first day was Friday, but all I did was do paperwork, 401k, insurance type of stuff. But today was the first day I got to walk, you know, go see the vehicles, touch them, smell them, lick them.
Come on, man.
No, but yeah, I got introduced to all the product line. The X1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got the X line, which is the SUVs, and we got all the other series, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 series. I don't know if they still have the 1. It was kind of up in the air about that one, but man, I tell you, man, the atmosphere there, man, is very cool, laid back. Everybody seems nice. You know, it's a lot of culture in there, man, and I'm very happy about that. Just because, you know, we always don't get those opportunities in that type of environment. But hey, thank you for that. It's a good feeling, man. You know, I'm very excited about this. Only thing I'm afraid about is the sales thing, because, you know, it's commission based, you know, but at the same time, you know what I'm saying, if I have that go-getterness like I know I have, man, I think I can knock it out the park, man. But you know, I just want to share this first day with y'all, after the first day, and let y'all know, you know, I'm really optimistic about it, man. I feel good, you know what I'm saying. I'm excited. I'm just ready for this thing to get kicked off, for me to go in there and start selling cars, start interacting with people, and you know, just building a relationship, and you know, building a brand around my name is all, you know, also, because you know, for a salesman, your name is, you know, just as good as gold, you know what I'm saying. So hey, I'm gonna make sure I try to build my reputation up the best I can, and the company of BMW. I don't know if I have anything else to say. You know, pretty much I'm gonna probably go through all the training tomorrow once I get in the system and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'm excited, y'all. I know I just want to, you know, bring you guys along, something quick, something easy, not too long. I don't want to make this long-winded, but yeah, y'all my family, so I want to let you know. All right, y'all. I hopefully
Perfect!
I knew I couldn't go this whole video without messing up. Hopefully you guys had a blessed day, man. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all take it easy. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.